Apple unveiled the iPhone 16 at the It's Glow Time event in Cupertino, CA, with CEO Tim Cook stating it is designed around Apple Intelligence, showcasing new generative AI features. The device features aerospace-grade, aluminum, and a ceramic shield that is 50% stronger against scratches. A dedicated camera button is also included for quick snapshots. In addition to the iPhone 16, Apple introduced updates for AirPods, the Apple Watch with sleep apnea detection, and enhancements in watchOS. Pre-orders began for the AirPods 4, starting at $129, while the Apple Watch Series 10 offers a larger screen and sleeker design. Did you know that you can listen to news podcasts tailored to your preferences every day? It can even be created from the RSS feeds you follow. Download the Feed Viewer app and use the first 3 days for free.